Yo, what's good? Mr. Pennistar in the building. Today we're gonna talk about some maintenance things I'm about to do on the Batmobile. Pretty cool things I'm gonna do. Make this thing look a little bit better, perform a little bit better. Not really modding the car as I would like to, because as you guys know, your boy trying to plan for that upgrade. So I'm just doing things to keep things running smoothly on the Batmobile. And so let me show you what I got so far. Alright, so one of the things I'm gonna do is I've ordered some slotted drilled rotors. Oh yeah, totally dude, like totally. Yo, let's check this out. So I ordered this joint from eBay, and they're from Brake Automotive. Got 2 boxes in here. So I got these slotted drilled rotors, and I got some performance brakes. I think they're metallic brakes. I'll put the link in the description. I haven't put them in yet. Basically, I want to change those things out. Rotors are a little beat up. The brakes are bad anyway too. So since I drive Uber on the weekends, I got a lot more wear and tear on this car. So my brakes are getting a little worn out. Got to get that fixed. The other thing I'm going to do to the Batmobile is I ordered some new tires. These are starting to get a little worn. Yeah, getting a little worn. But yeah, your boy went ahead and ordered those Toros AZ850. I ordered mines on Walmart actually. That's the lowest price I could find. So I got 4 of them for $411 shipped to my house. That's after taxes and everything. So $411, which is a pretty good price for a set of 4 tires. So that's going to be swapped out. And the size I got for them was 275/40 20s, because I got 20-inch rims. So they'll fit, because my wheels are 20/9 size, so those will fit right on there. So it'll be a lot wider than my 245s that I got on right now. Sure, they'll stick out more, but yeah, it'll look nice. It'll look pretty dope. And then the last maintenance piece I was gonna do is, you guys can tell my wheels got scratches all over them, and I was gonna put these joints on, little wheel, I don't know what you call them, rim blades or rim protectors, whatever you want to call it. So I got this color blue, but you guys can tell this joint don't even match. Look at that. So I can't find the right color to match the blue I have on my car to go with the vinyl. And plus, looking at it, like, it'll look mad tacky with this color on here compared to the vinyl I have on the car. Oh, that's the scratch my kids put on there. So that's the problem when you have kids, man. They always putting scratches on your car. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do black, and then I'm gonna just wrap that around the edge of my wheels to kind of keep that stealth look. That'll make it look better. Ship these joints back, call it a day. I think it'll be better. Cover up those scratches. I'll have some nice looking rotors with brakes, and then I'll have them nice wide tires on here, and that'll probably fill in the little tire gap I got in the car. I don't want to lower the car. I like sitting up high. A lot of hills and mountains around here in Utah, so keep it the way it is. But yeah, that's what your boy's doing to the Batmobile. Nothing too crazy. You know, got to make those small investments, keep the car functioning. I mean, overall, the tires were like $411. That little trim for the rims, that was only 10 bucks. And then the brakes and rotors are 155. So not a horrible investment, but well needed. Just wanted to give you guys an update. Thanks for watching, of course. Let me know if you got any questions or comments, because I am out. Peace.